Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best outdoor hands is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who spends time outdoors, whether you're a seasoned adventurer, a weekend warrior, or simply someone who enjoys gardening or working with your hands. This cream is specifically formulated to combat the harsh effects of the elements, providing deep hydration and repair for skin that's been exposed to sun, wind, and cold. It's designed to soothe dryness, cracked skin, and irritation, leaving your hands feeling soft, supple, and protected, so you can continue to enjoy your favorite activities without discomfort. Number 5. Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream. Introducing Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream. It provides rich moisture for dry to extra dry skin, offering lasting hydration even after washing. Infused with aloe, this cream soothes and protects your hands. Its non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and comfortable. Experience hydration that lasts. This hand cream is designed to keep your skin moisturized throughout the day, resisting the effects of frequent hand washing. Dermatologist tested for your peace of mind. It's gentle yet effective, making it suitable for everyday use on even the most sensitive skin. The 3-ounce tube is perfect for your bag or pocket. Keep your hands moisturized wherever you go with this convenient on-the-go solution. Enjoy a light, refreshing scent that isn't overpowering. It leaves your hands feeling clean and revitalized after each application. What we like. This option offers hydration that truly lasts, even after washing your hands. Its non-greasy formula ensures comfort without residue. If you frequently wash your hands and need lasting moisture, this is a great choice. What people say. This cream is very effective for dry skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The scent is very mild and pleasant. Number 4. CeraVe Therapeutic Hand Cream. Experience relief for your dry and cracked hands. This cream provides deep hydration and helps restore your skin's natural barrier. Formulated with key ingredients like hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, it works to deeply moisturize and soothe your skin. Enjoy the benefits without any added fragrance. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, providing comfort without irritation. This therapeutic cream helps to restore and protect your skin's natural moisture. It leaves your hands feeling soft and smooth. Make it a part of your daily routine for consistently healthy-looking hands. It's the perfect solution for everyday dryness. Conveniently sized at 3 ounces, it's perfect for keeping in your bag or on your desk. Always have it on hand when you need it. What we like. Formulated without any fragrance, this cream is ideal for sensitive skin. It contains hyaluronic acid for intense hydration and niacinamide to help repair the skin barrier. If you have sensitive skin or prefer unscented products, this is the one for you. What people say. This cream is very effective for dry skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. My skin feels soft and hydrated after using it. Number 3. Miracle Hand Repair Cream 8 ounces. Introducing Miracle Hand Repair Cream, your ultimate solution for dry, cracked hands. Experience the healing power of nature with this intensive moisturizer. Infused with 60% pure aloe vera, this cream provides deep hydration and promotes rapid healing. It's designed to soothe and restore even the most damaged skin. Enjoy a non-greasy feel as it quickly absorbs into your skin. You can get back to your work without any sticky residue. Specifically formulated for those with demanding jobs, it protects and nourishes your hands. Keep your skin soft and supple, no matter how hard you work. This powerful lotion offers fast-absorbing, intensive moisturization. It's the best healing hand cream for extremely dry skin, leaving it feeling revitalized. Give your hands the care they deserve. Our cream works to heal, moisturize, and protect, ensuring your hands feel comfortable and look their best. What we like. Packed with 60% aloe vera, this cream provides excellent healing properties. It's designed to be fast-absorbing, making it perfect for those with demanding jobs. If your hands are constantly exposed to harsh conditions and need quick, effective repair, consider this. What people say. This cream is a lifesaver for my dry, cracked hands, especially during the winter months. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. I love how this cream soothes my skin and provides long-lasting hydration. My hands feel so much softer and smoother after just a few uses. The scent is very mild and pleasant, not overpowering at all. It's perfect for everyday use. Number 2. Miracle Hand Repair Cream 1 ounce, 3-pack. Introducing Miracle Hand Repair Cream, your ultimate solution for dry and cracked hands. Experience the healing power of nature with this intensive moisturizer. Infused with 60% pure aloe vera, this cream provides deep hydration and promotes rapid healing. It's the perfect remedy for even the most damaged skin. Enjoy a non-greasy feel as it quickly absorbs into your skin. You can get back to your work without any sticky residue. Specially formulated for those with demanding jobs, it soothes and protects your hands. Keep your skin soft and supple, no matter the task. Don't let extremely dry skin hold you back. This lotion delivers lasting moisture and helps restore your skin's natural barrier. Get the relief you need with this convenient 3-pack. Stock up and ensure your hands are always protected and moisturized. What we like. This multi-pack offers great value with 3 convenient 1-ounce tubes. It features the same healing power of 60% aloe vera as its larger counterpart. If you need a reliable hand cream for on-the-go or want to stock up, this bundle is an excellent option. What people say. This cream is very effective for dry skin, leaving it soft and moisturized. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is great for daily use. The cream has a pleasant, subtle scent that is not overpowering. Number 1. Panier de Sens Provence Citrus Hand Cream. Experience the rich, softening care of our premium French hand cream. It's crafted with 97% natural ingredients to deeply moisturize dry skin. Transport yourself to the south of France with the invigorating scent of citrus. This luxurious formula is designed specifically for women's hands. Our vegan formula is made with the finest natural ingredients. It provides gentle yet effective softening care for your skin. Enjoy the quality of a product meticulously made in France. It delivers exceptional hydration and a silky smooth feel. Specifically formulated to combat dryness, this hand cream offers lasting comfort. Your hands will feel supple and rejuvenated after each use. With 97% natural ingredients, it's a pure and gentle choice for your skincare routine. Experience the difference of a truly natural product. What we like. Boasting 97% natural ingredients and a vegan formula, this cream offers a luxurious experience. It's crafted with care in France for a premium feel. If you prioritize natural ingredients, ethical sourcing, and a touch of French elegance in your skincare, this is a perfect fit. What people say. It is a good moisturizer that keeps my skin hydrated. This cream is very effective in healing dry and cracked skin. The texture is light and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.